Hello everybody, my name is Miss Elise and welcome back to another Crafternoon. Today we're going to be observing the relationship between gravity and impact by conducting an egg drop test. Gravity is a force that keeps you on the ground, but it's also the reason why things fall when you drop them. When we drop fragile things like eggs, the force of the impact with the ground causes them to break. But there are some things that we can do to absorb some of that impact and protect the egg from breaking. So we're going to test this out with our egg drop test kit. Inside the kit you will find 2 egg carton cardboard holders, a plastic packaging airbag, a piece of foam, a little bit of cotton stuffing, a piece of tissue paper, some shredded paper, and 2 plastic bags. You will also need some masking tape and an egg. Step 1. Wrap your egg in protective materials any way you'd like. You can use all of the materials or just some of the materials. You can even use materials you find lying around your house. Just make sure you feel like your egg is nice and secure. I'm making a parachute for my egg using one of the plastic bags. Step 2. Find a taller location to try dropping your egg. You can climb a staircase and drop it to the floor below, or you could climb a chair like me and drop it from there. Just make sure a grown-up is around to watch you and keep you safe. Step 3. Unwrap your egg and see if it survived the fall. If it did survive the fall, keep testing by dropping it from different heights to see if it survives all the drops. That's all the time that we have for Crafternoon today, but I will be back again in 2 weeks with another craft. But until then, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye!